You are part of an experiment you did not sign up for. If you're spending hundreds of dollars a month on conditioned media or exosomes for your face, this video is for you. I'm Mama G, brown skin, 50 this year. Conditioned media, exosomes, stem cell serums, growth factor products. It's a category that exploded in luxury skincare with bench science language and price tags that assume you will not ask the hard questions. Here's what makes this category different from other anti-aging skincare. Peptide serums, vitamin C, retinol, niacinamide, they're all cosmetics. They're all technically not allowed to claim that they change the structure of your skin. But peptides have published topical research on peptides. Vitamin C has decades of topical research on L-ascorbic acid. Retinol has the strongest topical research base in skincare. The marketing language overreaches, but the products are tied to research that was actually done on topicals at the concentrations you can buy. Conditioned media, on the other hand, is not in the same position. The pricing implies pharmaceutical-grade confidence, several hundreds of dollars for a serum, but much of the research that the marketing points to was done on injections, procedures, wound healing models, or cell culture, not on a daily topical serum at the formulation that's in your hand. The clinical pathway that would be required for actual drug claims, right? Phase 2 and 3 trials, defined endpoints, dose response data, long-term safety surveillance, they were not required here. The aggregate consumer use across millions of jars and thousands of faces is functionally the surveillance data that is collected from you. That is the experiment, and you're in it. Same issue when the data comes from a study where the product was applied during microneedling or right after a clinical procedure. That is procedure data with a serum that's riding shotgun. So I'd really like you to watch which kind of study they're showing you as part of their evidence. Injectable data does not transfer to topical application. The skin barrier is the difference between a clinical trial showing evidence and just a moisturizer. So the category is selling certainty that the evidence has not earned yet. Not because the science is fake, because the pricing implies work that has not been done at the format that you are actually using. If you want to participate in the experiment, participate knowingly. That is the only thing this video is asking of you. And that leads to the next question. Even if the biology is real, is the product in the jar still what the label claims by the time it reaches your skin? That's the next video. Save this, follow so it lands on your feed, and comment if you've spent in this category.